What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain Taco. Back with a quick tip for anyone rolling in a 4th Gen Toyota Tacoma, especially if you're hitting up your local car wash. I just got mine cleaned up, and let me tell you, these new Tacomas look great, but that paint, it's not the greatest out there. I love this truck. Toyota nailed the design, and the 4th Gen is a beast. But here's the deal. The paint on these new models, it's kind of soft. We're talking swirl marks, light scratches, and scuff just from standard car wash brushes. Now, I've talked to other Tacoma owners and the consensus is pretty clear. Those spinning brushes at the automatic car washes are not your paint's friend. If you care about keeping your finish looking fresh, listen up. Whenever I hit the car wash, I make a special request. I ask the attendant to turn off the brushes. You'll still get the wash, the soap, the rinse, and sometimes even the high pressure air dry, all without the harsh contact. And it's just not about protecting the paint. I have a bed rack installed, which means those brushes can also get hung up or even damaged if they try to sweep over it. Honestly, even if you don't have a rack or gear on your rig, it's still worth skipping the brushes. Long term, your paint will thank you. If you've got the time and space, hand washing is still the best way to keep your Tacoma looking mint. Microfiber mints, 2-bucket method, y'all know the drill. But when you're on the go, the brushless car wash trick is the next best thing. And hey, if you've got your own tips for keeping your taco clean without damaging the paint, drop them in the comments. Let's help each other out. Now, I'm almost up to 1,000 subscribers. That's a huge milestone for this channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and you're still here, by all means, go and subscribe. It'll really help me out and push me over that 1,000 subscriber milestone. On this channel, it's all Tacoma all the time. So if you want more Tacoma tips, overlanding mods, and real-world truck talk, subscribe and never miss a thing. And we'll catch y'all next time. If you're into Tacomas, this channel is for you. We cover it all: mod installs, real-world testing, electrical walkthroughs, dealership pricing, even recall updates. All Tacoma, all the time. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a thing. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe, share, like, and hit that notification bell, and we will see you next time.